Welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and disarm ring keypad. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access your particular keypad of your ring devices, right? So the very first thing is you can simply unplug the keypad, right? Find the keypad you wish to remove in the ring app. So two ways you can do it. You can simply go to your keypad and you can find this home away icon and this icon, and this simply there's a protection with the X on it, the blue icon. This is simply a disarm icon. I tap on it and it will simply start the disarm for you. Other way is simply for you to access your app of ring arm, and then you're going to find this option called disarmed home away one. You can simply tap on this disarmed, and that way you will be able to disarm your particular keypad. It will give you this option, right? And then you can tap on the particular device that you want to disarm. You can tap on it and you can simply remove the device as well, like, or simply disarm it. And the other thing is that for this 3 modes, for disarm mode, no sensor inside your home are armed. This is useful when you are at home and want the freedom to go in and out easily. So make sure disarm will simply disarm all of the security for you. So when you're in the home, where you want to use it, simply then enable it. But when you're about to go away home, simply turn it off by simply tapping on this away home icon, which is just right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and then it will simply deactivate the disarm of yours. And if you are back home, you can simply tap on this icon over here, which will disarm it by the keypad, and you can do it by the app as well. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.